Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today we are discussing an interesting topic, watching TV versus playing outdoor games. Both have pros and cons, but which one is better? Let's find out. Watching TV. Advantages. TV gives us information about the world through news and documentaries. Educational programs help us learn new things. It entertains us with movies, cartoons, and shows. We can relax after a long, tiring day. Some programs teach good habits and values. It improves language skills by watching different shows. We can learn about different cultures and places. It can be a great way to bond with family. TV can inspire us with motivational stories, cooking, science, and DIY shows help us learn new skills. Watching TV. Disadvantages. It can harm our eyes. Sitting for long hours makes us lazy. It reduces time for studies and outdoor activities. Some shows promote violence or bad habits. Watching TV for too long can affect sleep. It can be addictive and waste a lot of time. Too many ads can be annoying. Lack of physical activity can lead to obesity. It can make us less social and interactive. Watching too much TV can reduce creativity. Playing outdoor games. Advantages. It keeps us fit and healthy. Outdoor games give us fresh air and sunlight. It improves teamwork and social skills. Sports help in building confidence. It reduces stress and makes us happy. Playing outside improves coordination and strength. It makes us active and energetic. Outdoor activities improve focus and concentration. It teaches discipline and patience. Playing in nature is fun and refreshing. Playing outdoor games. Disadvantages. Playing in the sun for too long can cause sunburn. There is a risk of injury while playing. Bad weather can stop outdoor activities. It may take time away from studies. Some outdoor games need special equipment. It can be tiring if played for too long. If not careful, it can lead to fights or arguments. Playing outside requires a safe space. Too much outdoor play may affect indoor hobbies. If we don't warm up, it can cause muscle pain. Watching TV and playing outdoor games both have pros and cons. Watching TV is great for learning and entertainment, but too much can be harmful. Outdoor games keep us fit and active, but they also have some risks. The best choice, a balance of both. Watching TV in moderation and playing outside daily is the best way to stay healthy and happy.